Ever pondered about how your goods get from point A to point B? How about the safety and security of your items during their journey? How about the safety and security of your items during their journey? Well, it all comes down to the transportation services you choose. Enter our comprehensive range of container trucking services. Operating in Delhi NCR and spanning all across India, we pride ourselves on delivering a seamless, hassle-free experience. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you every step of the way, ensuring your goods arrive safely and on time. Our fleet, it's as diverse as your transportation needs. With 20-foot, 22-foot, and 32-foot container trucks, we're equipped to handle all types of cargo. Whether you require local delivery or nationwide distribution, our services have got you covered. But it's not just about the size of our fleet. The safety and security of your goods are our top priority. That's why our trucks are equipped with the latest technology. We guarantee that your cargo will be well protected throughout its journey. From pickup to delivery, we take care of every aspect, ensuring your peace of mind. So how does it all work? It's simple. Just reach out to us. Our team will take care of the rest. We're committed to providing reliable and efficient transportation solutions tailored to your business needs. So, why wait? The journey from point A to point B doesn't have to be stressful. With our container trucking services, you can rest easy knowing that your goods are in safe and capable hands. Contact us today at 989-136-4277. Give your goods the transportation service they deserve. Secure, efficient, and reliable. That's our promise to you.